I have always wondered what it takes to grow a year's supply of wheat. What's the time and cost involved, and is it really worth it? I started by tilling the soil surface. It's advised to keep tilling to a minimum, as tilling is known to convert growing soil into pure dirt, destroying soil structure maintained by plants' roots, and air canals built by insects and microorganisms. Areas that have had too much tilling would have a more compressed soil, making it a lot harder for roots to penetrate and a lot slower for moisture to propagate across. Apart from the seeds, I didn't use any fertilizers or pesticides, nothing at all. I just occasionally let the camels graze this area, and they leave their precious poop behind. What's special about wheat is its tolerance to high salinity and resilience against severe droughts. By springtime, 4 months from sowing, it's time to harvest. It's advised to only harvest the wheat when it completely dries out. This makes the next process much easier. I was about to harvest the wheat and process it over this thing, but I found something very interesting nesting underneath. At first I thought it's another snake, but it was the sand lizard. This is what the snake I found was probably feeding on. It's a reminder to keep things clean and free from weeds. In industrial conditions, the harvest process is done with a combine machine. It harvests the wheat and separates the berries from the rest of the plant material, but I did it all by hand. Harvest was pretty easy, but what came next was the trickiest part. I need to separate each and every single tiller one at a time. It's a time-consuming process, but a good meditation exercise. It was going well so far, until at some point we decided to dump a truckload of sand onto it. But anyway, I separated the husks from the seeds using this fan. That was actually a fun process, and it came out really great. After that, we ground them using a hand blender, which came out really coarse. After that, I mixed with yeast and water and let it rise for an hour while I prepared the fire. It didn't take much to cook, and it came out really great. It smells perfect. There's a lot in here that's not in a traditional loaf of bread, and now it's time to taste. At first it tasted really great, but after a while I noticed it has a lot of sand. Too much sand, in fact, make it unedible. There must be another way to process the wheat, but anyway, my treasure was in the experience itself. I learned a lot through this, and I hope it doesn't prove useful any day soon.